Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo. And today's Photoshop quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to colorize in Photoshop in few minutes. Now since this is a dark eye, we need to first brighten it. So create a curve adjustment layer, take it all up just like that. Now select the mask, press Ctrl or Command I. So here select the brush tool and make sure the foreground color is white and just paint on the eye just like that. Now let's create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Choose whatever color you like, but first check color eyes. So I'm going to choose blue color here. So let's increase the saturation. Select the mask, press Ctrl or Command I and take the brush. Make sure the foreground color is white and just paint on the eye. Just like that. So be careful, don't paint on the outside area. So now create one more hue and saturation adjustment tip. So this time, again, check on the color and whatever color you want to on the inside. So I'm going to select this color and I'm going to increase the saturation. Select the mask, press Ctrl or Command I and take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white and just paint the inside. Now you can play with your hue and saturation later as well. So this is quick tutorial and let's go back to this. You can choose whatever color you like. So you can choose red, you can choose blue, any color you want. So I'm going to keep it blue and you can add even more. Now guys, this is all about how to colorize in Photoshop in few minutes. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching.